So what's up, you lovely bunch? I thought it was time that I showed you around our latest giveaway competition, Gregory. By the way, we have some onlookers. Look at these dudes. Anyway, back to Gregory. So Gregory is a 1984 Mini 25. So these were released in celebration of 25 years of the Mini, obviously 1959 to 1984. This example has been fully restored in 2019, and as you can see, presents in absolutely perfect condition. The Mini 25 anniversary was Silver Leaf, the colour is called, obviously with all of the red and grey 25 anniversary decals, chrome accessories everywhere, Nimbus grey accessories, so things like the bumpers, mirrors, etc., and 12-inch wheels. Now these are upgraded 12-inch John Brown wheels, slightly different to the original, but as all Minis, but better with a set of alloys on. As already said and mentioned, this car has had a full restoration that included a total front end new metal, a new rear valance, and obviously a bare metal respray in its original silver leaf colour. Just look how straight this car is. Just picked this up from its health check and safety check that I do on all of our competition Minis, and driven it back, and it basically drives like new. You have to excuse my muddy feet, but other than that, this interior is absolute perfection. So we have the original seats, obviously, which are in absolutely perfect condition. They all had the decals, the 25, the red seat belts. These door cards are immense. Look at this. They're just stunning. They also came with an upgraded red steering wheel. This one has a upgraded and even further upgraded black leather steering wheel. Obviously red carpets. All your normal Mini accessories. There is of course a 998 with a rev counter, which is very unusual. Again, that was part of the limited edition chrome mirror. You can see how absolutely perfect this car is. I shall just get rid of my jacket, and I can obviously show you the rear seats and matching door cards. There are some mats in here as well. This has had the rear seat belts added because they were not standard at the time. Just chuck my jacket back over there. This is a really nice touch that not many people will know about. So you have a front pocket, storage pocket, which is just cool, and back then that was a real special thing. So I'll give you a view from this side. As you can see, absolutely beautiful. Moving on to under the bonnet. Should be getting better at this by now, shouldn't I? We have the famous 998 A Plus engine. This one has had the head converted to unleaded petrol. It's recently, obviously when the car was fully restored, the engine was taken out and sent to Mini Centre, and it was rebuilt. And like I already say, this car drives like new. All the original chrome was kept and replaced with new if it was obviously not up to the standard of the vehicle. It's done 78,000 miles, but about 350 miles since being totally restored. I can't explain how difficult it is to paint silver metallic on a Mini. Obviously this is a full bare metal paint job, but this car presents as new basically. Just look at it. As always, super low odds, so 1984, and a slightly lower price than this one for the open offer of $9.99. So this is car number 45. Obviously we currently have Rocket live as well, but he actually sold out this morning, so the only one available on site is Gregory. Just show you inside the boot as well. One thing that was done when it was fully restored was total sound deadening. Now that makes a hell of a difference in a Mini, but you can obviously see how absolutely stunning this Mini is. Always love an upgraded custom fuel cap as well. Just show you across the back as well. This car is as good underneath as it is on top, so excuse me while I just get down. Obviously all the subframes were done at the same time. It's got a really nice sounding exhaust on it. Again, just get that down and show you how perfect this Mini is. This definitely has show winning potential, if that is indeed your thing. So yeah, what else to say, people? Head over to www.UKMinis.co.uk, get your tickets. I don't expect this one to sell out. It's a guaranteed draw on Sunday the 16th of October, which is next Sunday. Open offer ends Monday at midnight, and I wish you all luck. Who is going to be our 45th winner?